Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video live session, product of vectors, two important questions which they asked in the previous years of TS and AP. I am going to discuss in this session. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to watch, to continue to watching the videos of live sessions. Every day, one or two, either mathematics A first year, second year, most of the questions I'm going to explain nowadays. So you remember all of you 6 to 9 in between that any half an hour, 1 hour I'm going to discuss the questions. Let us have a discussion the question here. For any two vectors A bar and B bar, then show that 1 plus mod A square into 1 plus mod B square is equal to 1 minus A bar dot B bar whole square plus mod A bar plus B bar plus A bar cross B bar whole square. So how to prove this question? It is belongs to product of vectors. Yeah, Rohit. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah, I will be there. Just I am watching that chart. You can share to your friends also, those who are interested to listen the class. This is one of the, I think 2017 or 18 question in mathematics 1A paper. One of the vectors question it is given. So to prove this one, consider generally LHS equal to RHS we are proving. But according to this question, I am going to prove RHS equal to LHS. Consider RHS. Consider RHS. What is RHS here? 1 minus A bar dot B bar whole square plus A bar plus B bar plus A bar cross B bar whole square. So the first term in this expansion, A minus B whole square expansion I am doing, dear students. So A minus B whole square expansion, so that is equal to 1 square means 1 plus A bar dot B bar whole square, A square plus B square is over, minus 2AB, minus 2 into A bar dot B bar. So first term expansion completed. Come to the second term. In the second term, three terms are there. One is A bar, second one is B bar, third term is A bar cross B bar. So I am going to apply A plus B plus C whole square formula. So A bar square, that means mod A bar square plus mod B bar square plus in place of C what value is there? A bar plus B bar. So mod A bar cross B bar whole square. A plus B plus C whole square expansion is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So plus 2AB, 2 into A bar dot B bar. Next plus 2 into B bar dot C bar. So B bar dot C bar means what here according to this question? A bar cross B bar. This one. This is C bar vector. Plus 2CA. 2 into this vector. 2 times of A bar cross B bar dot C bar. That means A bar. So expansion completed. Here, very important thing. Observing this one dot, one cross is there. This is called box of ABC. Dot product and cross product. It is called vector triple product. So generally A bar dot B bar cross C bar means we can write it as box of A bar, B bar, C bar, which are in the order now. If order is not there, minus will come. So A bar dot B bar cross C bar is box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Similarly, here according to this question, here what values we have? B bar dot A bar cross B bar. So what we can write it here? By definition of this one, we can write it as B bar, A bar, B bar. Do you understand, all of you? So this is the formula. A bar dot B bar cross C bar means box of ABC. Similarly, B bar dot A bar cross B bar, and this one also. A bar cross B bar dot A bar. That also can be written as box of A bar, B bar and A bar. In the box, this is called box. In the box, any two vectors are equal, that value goes to be 0. See here, B bar, A bar, B bar means two vectors are equal. So this value goes to be 0. Even here also two A vectors are there. So this value also 0. This is very, very important property. So based on these properties, this value and this value goes to be 0. So the rest of the terms I am going to write 1 plus minus 2 A bar dot B bar plus 2 A bar dot B bar cancel. So the remaining is 1 plus A bar dot B bar whole square, okay, plus mod A bar square plus mod B bar square plus A bar cross B bar whole square. These values are going to be 0. This value is 0, even this value also 0, since these are the properties. Compulsory should write these properties. After that, very, very important result, which is based on cross product and dot product. The relation between cross product and dot product. Next step that I am writing, observe carefully. Even in the proof of 4 marks question they asked it. So, the relation between dot and cross. A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square is equal to A bar into B bar whole square. Mod A bar square into mod B bar square. Do you understand this? This is the formula, relation between cross product and dot product. Sir, why sir you are writing this formula? In this is the dot product, this is the cross product. Observe carefully. In place of these two terms, I am going to write this value. Mod A bar square, B bar square. So, first one as it is we are writing. Mod A bar square also as it is we are writing. Mod B bar square also as it is we are writing. In place of these two, we are replacing with this value. Mod A bar square, mod B bar square. Now, 1 plus mod A bar square. From these two, mod B bar square I am taking common. So 1 plus mod A bar square. From these two also 1 plus mod A bar square can I take common? 1 plus mod A bar square into 1 plus mod B bar square. That's what they are asking to prove. This is LHS, dear students. So RHS we consider, LHS we got it. I hope you understand. This is one of the previous IPTS question. I will move to another question. This is the 7 marks question. Shall I rub this? Yeah, some students are writing. I will wait for half minute. Huh? Yeah, some students are giving that session not completed, dear students. In the live session, you may not get clarity. After that, you can watch, dear students. You will get it the clarity. One more question I am going to explain. Even in the community session in my channel, once we go through updates, I will give when I have to take the class, when I am going to take the live classes. In the community box, always you can check. You will get it the information, dear students. So now I'm going to rub this. So another question. This is also related to product of vectors, related to coplanar. 7 marks we can expect, or 4 marks also we can expect this question. If box of B bar, C bar, D bar plus box of C bar, A bar, D bar plus box of A bar, B bar, D bar is equal to box of ABC. We have to prove this result, then show that the points with position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar are coplanar. So when the points are coplanar, they are asking to prove this result. I hope you understand. See here, the condition here with position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar are coplanar. Position vectors also they mentioned. So what I am doing is, first let O be the origin. Let O be the origin. So like this, O be the origin. A point, B point, C point, D point. Coplanar means what? The points which are lying on the same plane is called coplanar. A, B, C, D are 4 points whose position vectors, PVs, PV means position vector, whose PVs are respectively OA, OB, OC and OD. So for these A, B, C, D 4 points, the position vectors are OA bar, OB bar, OC bar and OD bar. And one more condition they provided, these vectors are, that means OA bar is equal to small a bar. You remember the difference. Here, OA bar is equal to small a bar. This one. This is small a bar. This is small b bar. Small c bar. Small d bar. So OB is equal to b bar. OC is equal to d bar. Sorry, c bar. OD is equal to small d bar. This is the way. Or respectively OA, OB, OC and OD. Here condition is given that A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar are coplanar, no? OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar, that vectors are coplanar. Whenever 4 points are coplanar, the condition, if and only if box of, you have to remember, dear students, in what way we are writing. Whenever the points A, B, C, D are coplanar, AB, AC, AD, the box of the 3 vectors AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. AB, AC, AD. Box of these three vectors equal to 0. What is AB, what is AC, what is AD? I will tell that. In the previous question, we discussed the box of vectors, we can write it as one cross and one dot product only, no? So here also I am going to write if and only if AB bar dot AC bar cross AD bar. One dot and one cross. The combination of these two vectors is the vector triple vectors. So AB bar means OB bar minus OA bar dot AC bar means OC bar minus OA bar cross AD bar OD minus OA is equal to 0. First, in place of OB, OA, OC, these values we are going to replace. So, if and only if B bar minus A bar dot C bar minus A bar cross D bar minus A bar. So, first bracket value we are going to simplify with dot product. B bar minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar. Okay. C bar cross minus C bar cross A bar. Next minus A bar cross D bar. Minus into minus plus A bar cross A bar. In cross product, any two vectors are equal whose cross product is 0. Why? Because in cross product, two vectors are same. They are parallel vectors or coincident vectors. So this value goes to be, dear students, A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Why? Because they are parallel vectors. Parallel vector means angle between them is 0. So sin theta, sin 0 is 0. That is the reason this value goes to be 0. So B bar minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar minus C bar cross A bar minus A bar cross D bar is equal to 0. Okay. After that, B bar into each and every term of this vector. Next, each and every term multiplying with minus A bar. So, if and only if B bar dot C bar cross D bar. So, these two completed. I will write it for your convenience. These two. Next these two. Next these two. Like this. Okay. In the next step, these two, and these two. This is the way you can learn, dear students. Easy to get it. Minus, next step. Minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Next, B bar into this value. So minus B bar dot A bar cross D bar. Next, each and every term multiplying with minus A bar dot. Minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar. Minus into minus plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar. Minus into minus plus A bar dot A bar cross D bar is equal to 0. I already said in the previous question, one dot, one cross can be written as box of that vectors. So the first vector can be written as B bar dot C bar cross D bar means box of B, C, D. So box of B bar, C bar, D bar. Similarly, minus box of B bar, C bar, A bar. Okay. Here, minus box of B bar, A bar, D bar. Minus box of A bar, C bar, D bar. Here, plus box of A bar, C bar, A bar, plus box of A bar, D bar. We already know that in the box of vectors, any two vectors are equal. The box values goes to be 0. Here, two A vectors are there in the box. Even here also two A vectors are there. So these values are going to be 0 in the next step, dear students. So that implies if and only if box of B bar, C bar, D bar. Next, minus box of. So BCD is over, we got it. Next, I want to get here CAD. CAD is here. I want to get this C bar will be here. Whenever we are interchanging, first I am writing minus A bar, C bar, D bar. In the next step I will write it. Next, minus here ABD is there. First you write this one minus BAD. Next last one minus BCA is equal to, sorry, after that plus continue. Till here understand now? After that what I am doing is, if you interchange any two vectors in this, the minus value will become plus. One more time if you interchange, it will become again minus. So first term I am not interchanging. Why? Because in the first term itself I want to prove box of B bar, C bar, D bar, it will be there. Here C bar, A bar, D bar I want. I am interchanging these two. So whenever we are interchanging these two vectors, here minus will become plus. So plus C bar, A bar, D bar. The second vector also we got it. Second box value also we got it. Next third vector, A bar, B bar, D bar box. So if you interchange these two vectors here also, so it will become plus A bar, B bar, D bar. Next step. Here I want to get is equal to ABC now. So is equal to this value we can take this side. Box of B bar, C bar, A bar. I want to write B will be here. So first I am interchanging last two vectors. Whenever interchanging minus will come here. So can I write here? Otherwise here only I will continue. More two steps, dear students. Box of B bar, C bar, D bar plus box of C bar, A bar, D bar plus box of A bar, B bar, D bar. Now I am interchanging the vectors, second vector and third vector. So it will becomes B bar, A bar, C bar. Whenever we are interchanging here, minus will come. In the next step, first two vectors I am going to change to get the result. So now B bar, C bar, D bar, box of plus box of C bar, A bar, D bar plus box of A bar, B bar, D bar is equal to box of, if you interchange these two, that minus will become plus A bar, B bar, C bar. Hence the result they are asking to prove now. When the points are coplanar, we have taken the points of coplanar, we proved that the vectors, the result very important is, even it will help for the incident JEE Mains also. This concept, dear students, you keep in mind. I am going to end the session. If possible, tomorrow early morning 5:30 to 6 or 6 to 6:30, I will take 1 week class also. Some important questions regarding maximum and minimum. I want to explain some 2 to 3 questions. Some L length wise that I have pending is there. That question also I am going to explain in the next class. Any doubts are there? Please write to comment box whatever you require. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all.